Is your Windows PC running slower than usual, showing unexpected pop-ups, or behaving unexpectedly? In this video, I will show you how to check and remove viruses step by step using Windows built-in security tools. I will also introduce VigiHunt Antivirus to help keep your PC protected. So let's get started. Before we begin, we must understand that not every slow computer has a virus. Sometimes the issue is caused by too many startup programs, low storage, outdated software, and malware. Today, we will specifically focus on malware and viruses.
Windows already includes Microsoft Defender, which offers built-in protection against many common threats. If you have never checked your security settings before, here's how to access them. First, make sure your virus definitions are up to date by checking for protection updates. Then run a quick scan. This usually takes only a few minutes.
If your Windows doesn't detect anything, that doesn't always mean that your computer is completely clean. Some unwanted programs, adware, or newer threats may require additional scanning. That's where an additional antivirus solution can be useful. Recently, VigiNet software launched VigiHunt Antivirus for Windows. It includes features such as full system scan, quick scan, malware detection, threat removal. Let's see how to use it.
Visit the official VigiNet website and download VigiHunt Antivirus. I'm using the free version of VigiHunt Antivirus for this demonstration. Once the download finishes, install it just like any other Windows application. This is the VigiHunt dashboard. The interface is simple and designed so even beginners can use it. Let's begin with a quick scan. This checks the most common locations where malware typically hides. If any threats are detected, VigiHunt will display them here. You can review the results and follow the recommended actions. For a more thorough check, choose full scan. If you only want to check a USB drive or a specific folder, use custom scan. This saves time while allowing you to inspect selected locations.
Besides scanning your PC regularly, here are a few habits that help your computer secure. Only download software from trusted websites. Keep your Windows updated. Avoid clicking on suspicious email links. Don't install unknown browser extensions. Run regular security scans.
Always keep your antivirus updated so it can recognize the latest threats.
That's how you can check your Windows PC for viruses using both Windows Protection and VigiHunt Antivirus. Windows Security offers built-in protection while VigiHunt gives an additional way to scan your system. If you would like to try VigiHunt, you will find the official download link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and comment on this video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.